Good morning. I'm reading from the BYNV, and I wanted to read to you about creation. It says, and Elohim said, let the Mayim teem and shoals of living creatures. Let the Mayim teem with shoals of living creatures, and let birds fly above the Aretz on the facial surface of the Shamayim. And Elohim, Elohtah, created great sea creatures, and every living creature that moves, with which the Mayim teemed. He filled the oceans according to their kind, and every winged bird, there you go, we're talking about you, every winged bird according to its kind. And Elohim saw that it was good, and Elohim blessed them, saying, bear fruit and increase, and fill the mine in the Yaman, and let the birds increase on the Aretz. And there came to be evening, and there came to be morning, the fifth Yom. I think that's why I'm so driven to be out here with the birds, to feed the birds, to enjoy the birds. Behind me, I got the Mayim. I watch a lot of videos about the sea creatures. Yahusha created this for us to enjoy, not to damage or destroy, but to live in and feel the blessing. I'm feeling the blessing. I really am. I wanted you to see the birds. Do you hear them? Of course you do. They're wild. They're everywhere. I can't hear them now, see them now, but they're up there in the trees. They're flying around. There you go. That's a red-winged blackbird. Well, I've got to go. I just wanted you to think about Yahusha's creation. Always want you to think about Yahusha's creation. Hallelujah. This is the day Yahusha has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Hallelujah.